Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming lock type and measuring the door thickness. This matters because a deadbolt needs deeper drilling than a knob. Once measured, tape the manufacturer template to the door and mark center height precisely. Any offset ruins alignment. Now clamp a scrap backing and drill a 1 hole for the lock face using a hole saw. Use a 1/8 pilot to guide. Make sure to keep the drill square to the door to avoid binding when the bolt is installed. Once the main hole is clear, insert the latch to verify orientation. The slanted edge faces the strike plate so the door closes smoothly. Next, outline the faceplate and chisel a shallow mortise so the plate sits flush. This prevents binding. Slide the latch into position, insert short screws to keep it steady, and test the spindle alignment by fitting the exterior cylinder. If the spindle turns freely, replace with full-length screws and tighten. This ensures a secure, long-lasting mount without warping the door. You now mate the exterior and interior assemblies through the door, ensuring the spindle and tailpiece seat cleanly. Tighten screws diagonally to avoid misalignment. Move to the jamb. Mark the bolt contact point, chisel a recess for the strike plate so it sits flush, and use two 1/2 screws into the framing for security. Test the lock several times. If the bolt binds, file the strike slightly or loosen screws and recenter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.